Yo, what's going on? Welcome everybody. This is Dan here over at 2DD2 Productions. Today I got my hands on the Viewedge computer gaming monitor. This is the 24-inch, 144 hertz refresh rate in 1080p. That's going to give you true HD 10 gaming experience with the blue light feature built into it. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing unboxed, set up, and we're going to give you the demonstration and the specs. Let's get started. Now, I haven't officially experienced this particular brand yet, so I'm kind of curious and to see how it holds up to, and is the price better for this particular device here. And just looking at it right off the bat, it has a very nice beveled edge to kind of give you that seamless frame design. I'm in love with that screen, believe it or not. All right, let's go ahead and get her set up. Wow. This is actually pretty slick. This is a no tool design installation. I am loving this. Oh. That is it. Well, that's set up nice, quick, and easy. So you get your power plug. It comes with an accessory HDMI cable. Let's go ahead and plug it in and see what we get. Oh, so just so you guys are aware, it has a VGA plug and one HDMI. Powered in. Let's wake her up. Extremely lightweight. So first impressions, this monitor right here, from corner to corner, is incredibly crisp. It has a very vibrant image to this thing. So again, you are getting the full HDR10 at 144 hertz refresh rate. Let me go ahead and throw a game up just so you guys can kind of get an idea how this looks. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so right before I go to jump into this game experience here when it comes to the performance of this monitor and its value, so I just want to point out real quick on the back here, you have 4 mounting holes. So if in case you want to wall mount this or put this on some kind of monitor lift, you can definitely do that. This is built in. You won't have to make any modifications because it's already there. Now, the other thing that you've probably been noticing that I've been doing is pivoting and tilting. This is equipped and built in with that feature, which is incredibly nice. Now, with this screen display, as I mentioned, it is a true HDR10. It has a 1 millisecond response time at a 144 hertz refresh rate. It also has the built-in blue light tint to it. What does it actually mean is it prevents the eye strain. Last but not least to mention, this thing also is equipped with ISP and it is 110% RGB or sRGB. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this game here real quick. Let's go resume just so you guys can see the quality of the graphics on this. It is pretty legit. So at the price point that they have this marketed for, you get a lot of value in this computer monitor with the full HD in 1080p. So the quality of this is top notch. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but right off the bat, there is a 0 lag with this game experience right now. So again, if you're looking for a great monitor for a great price, check this out, because you guys are going to be incredibly pleased with this performance. I kid you not, you got to try it out for yourself. I thank you guys all for watching. Give this thing not just a try, but an experience, because it is going to change the definition of how you play the game when it comes to saving your wallet. Thank you guys all for watching. This thing is awesome. I'm incredibly pleased.